Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best toaster oven cookbook is probably one of the most underrated kitchen companions, transforming your compact countertop appliance into a versatile culinary powerhouse, allowing you to effortlessly whip up everything from crispy breakfast pastries and perfectly roasted vegetables to succulent weeknight dinners and delightful desserts, proving that big flavors don't always require a big oven. Number 5. Nuwave Bravo Smart Oven. Need to change your cooking settings mid-cycle? No problem. You can easily adjust time and temperature without restarting the entire process. Achieve culinary perfection with customizable heating. Adjust the top and bottom heaters from 0 to 100% to create ideal cooking zones, like a crispy crust pizza with perfectly melted toppings. This smart oven comes with 10 pre-programmed functions. From air frying to roasting, simply select your desired preset and let it handle the rest. Take complete control over your cooking. Its intuitive digital controls allow you to set temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments for perfect results. Enjoy a seamless cooking experience with its enhanced interactive digital display. The cool white screen is easy to read and provides all the information you need at a glance. It comes complete with essential accessories. You'll find a heavy-duty cooking rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and even a recipe book to get you started. What we like? This smart oven allows you to make adjustments on the fly, giving you ultimate control over your cooking. Its customizable top and bottom heaters ensure perfect results for every dish. If you like to fine-tune your recipes and demand precision, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, I cannot extract any points as requested. Number 4. Neretva 21QD6 in 1 toaster oven and air fryer. This versatile appliance combines multiple cooking functions into one compact unit. It can air fry, convection bake, broil, toast, dehydrate, and more, making meal prep quick and easy for your family. Equipped with 1500 W power and an efficient fan, it ensures heat spreads evenly, cooking your food rapidly. You can reduce baking time by up to 50% compared to conventional ovens. Compared to traditional deep frying, this appliance reduces oil usage by up to 90%. This means your dishes are less oily, healthier, and retain more nutrients, offering a delicious and better cooking choice. Its enameled interior is healthy, easy to clean, and resistant to corrosion and scratches. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free stainless steel, it ensures enhanced safety and eliminates unwanted odors. Despite its compact size, it boasts a spacious 21 QD capacity. You can easily prepare an 8-inch pizza, 15 chicken wings, or a large batch of fries, making it perfect for substantial family meals. Your purchase includes everything you need to start cooking right away. It comes with a drip tray, crumb tray, oven rack, air fry basket, grill, and a fetch tool. What we like? This versatile appliance offers 6-in-1 functionality, making healthy cooking easier than ever with less oil. Its non-stick enamel interior also ensures effortless cleanup. If you are looking for a compact, multifunctional oven that prioritizes healthier meals and easy maintenance, this one is for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted. The source JSON was empty, preventing the selection of any review points as per the instructions. Number 3. Nuwave Bravo XL Smart Oven. Meet the Nuwave Bravo XL Smart Oven, your ultimate kitchen companion. This 12-in-1 countertop convection oven offers a generous 30 QD XL capacity, perfect for any meal. Need to tweak your cooking mid-cycle? No problem. Its intuitive digital controls allow you to adjust time, temperature, and even customize top and bottom heaters instantly. This means perfect results every time, like a pizza with a crispy crust and melted toppings. Say goodbye to undercooked or overcooked meals. This smart oven features an integrated digital temperature probe. It constantly monitors your food's internal temperature, automatically stopping when perfect doneness is achieved. Explore a world of culinary possibilities with 112 built-in presets. It offers 12 cooking functions, from air frying to dehydrating, plus 100 pre-programmed recipes. You can even save up to 50 of your own favorite recipes. Experience unparalleled precision with patented linear T technology. It maintains your set temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with constant power adjustments every second. This ensures perfectly consistent cooking results, unlike traditional on-off heating methods. Crafted with quality in mind, this oven features a heat-resistant, shatterproof tempered glass door. It comes with heavy-duty cooking racks, a non-stick baking pan, and an air-fry basket. Every component is designed for durability and performance. What we like. Equipped with an integrated digital temperature probe, this oven guarantees perfectly cooked food every time by automatically stopping when done. Its linear thermal technology maintains precise temperatures throughout the entire cooking process. If you value consistent, perfectly cooked results and large capacity for family meals, this model is a top contender. What people say. Number 2. Instant Omni Air Fryer Toaster Oven Cookbook. Discover the ultimate companion for your instant Omni Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This guide is packed with everything you need to create amazing meals. Inside, you'll find an extensive collection of 500 easy-to-follow recipes. Each one is designed for delicious, consistent results every time. Prepare meals that are not only faster to make but also incredibly healthy and bursting with flavor. It helps you achieve culinary excellence effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, these recipes are simple to follow. It empowers everyone to create amazing dishes with confidence. Beyond recipes, it offers a full guide to your appliance. Learn to master its features and functions for optimal performance and perfect results. What we like. This comprehensive cookbook provides 500 foolproof recipes, guiding you to quicker, healthier, and more delicious meals. It serves as a complete guide for your instant Omni Air Fryer Toaster Oven. If you own an instant Omni and are looking for extensive recipe inspiration and detailed guidance, this book is an invaluable resource. What people say. Number 1. 150 Best Toaster Oven Recipes Cookbook. Discover a world of flavor with this comprehensive collection. It brings together 150 incredible recipes, perfect for any meal. From breakfast delights to savory dinners and tempting desserts, it offers an amazing variety. You'll find something new to try every day. Maximize the utility of your toaster oven like never before. These recipes are specifically designed to make cooking simple and efficient. Save time and effort in the kitchen with its straightforward instructions. Enjoy delicious, home-cooked meals without the fuss. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, this guide is an invaluable resource. It helps you create fantastic dishes with ease. Never run out of ideas for your next meal. This book provides endless inspiration for delicious and convenient cooking. What we like. This collection features 150 of the best toaster oven recipes, specifically curated for your appliance. It offers a focused selection to help you make the most of your toaster oven. If you prefer a curated list of top-tier recipes and want to explore diverse dishes tailored for your toaster oven, this cookbook is a fantastic pick. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.